Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP on Coinomi wallet. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To buy XRP on Coinomi is quite easy. Open up your Coinomi wallet and make sure that you are logged in first. From the main interface of Coinomi wallet, go and tap on the horizontal line at the top left. From the expanded menu, select the crypto option under buy and sell, and from the top of the screen, make sure that you are inside the buy tab. Select your coin from the drop down, and since in today's video we are trying to buy some XRP, let's select XRP. Now on the next field where it says XRP, go ahead and enter the amount of XRP you are willing to buy, and the amount you should pay will be displayed on the next field. Select your payment method from the options and select the account where you'd like to receive your funds on. Since it's XRP in my case, I'm gonna select this option over here. Now finally, at the bottom of the screen, you'll need to log in to complete any purchase. So tap on the login button and link your BTC Direct account to your Coinomi wallet. You can either use the credential for your BTC Direct account or link your BTC Direct account by tapping on the last link with BTC Direct option, enter your credentials, or you can simply sign up for a BTC Direct account and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to complete your transaction. That is how you'll be able to buy XRP on Coinomi wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.